Hello dear students, again we are back with another video on simple equations. As we already learned in the previous video, few problems, that is up to fifth equation we already solved, and I had told you to comment your answers in case if you get. Now coming to, in this video we are going to solve other three problems which are at a higher level. Simple equations, but you need to concentrate more here. Okay, no problem will be difficult. Problem is what? We will not be having proper concentration. That will be the problem. Now let us come to know this one, how to solve this. So 7 minus equation is, it is 7 minus 3 by 7 minus 3 plus 4 by n, right? This is the equation which is written there, is equal to 8. Now we are going to solve this one by one. Steps will follow. As we know already, you transpose it to the other side. 7 we don't want. If 7 does not carry any sign, it is always plus. If you take it to the other side, it becomes minus. And remaining part, don't alter. You write as it is. That is minus of 3 plus 4 upon n. That is 4 by n. This side 8. If you transpose it to the other side, that becomes minus 8 minus 7, right? Now coming to here, minus sign you write as it is. In this case, here one whole number one fraction means you should write here below this one you write. Both are fractions now, because any number if you write below that, one will be there in that denominator, right? Now what is common factor between 1 and n? It is only 1. In that case you have to go for LCM method. How? 1 into n is n. Whenever fractions come, you should find LCM first, right? By finding LCM, we are making the equal denominators first. So 1 into n is n. Now 1 into what is equal to n? 1 into n is n. N into what is n? N into 1 is n. Right? Now you have to multiply. Follow this method and practice. 100% you can solve any type of problems. Now 3 into n is what? 3n. Right? Plus 4 into 1 is what? 4. This is how we are doing. This side 8 minus 7 is what? It is 1, right? Now we will write minus of 3. This we will transpose it to the right side. Only n we will take it to the other side. If you take it to the other side, here it is denominator. If it comes this side, numerator. Here it is dividing. This side it multiplies. So what this becomes? 3n plus 4. N into 1 is what? If you take it to the other side, this is into n, right? So what this becomes? N into 1 is n, right? Now this minus sign is outside the bracket. You have to multiply this inside. So what this becomes? Minus into 3n is minus 3n. Minus into plus minus, that is 4. This side n, right? Now what we will do is, we will take this minus 3n to the right side. Okay. What this becomes? Minus 3n, if you take that side, that becomes plus 3n. And minus 4 you write as it is. Minus 4 is equal to, this side if it goes, n plus 3n, right? N plus 3n. If you add both, already there are 3n. N plus n plus n. That is 3n. If you add one more n, total 4n or not. So that is why this will be n plus 3n is 4n. This side minus 4, right? Now what we will do is, we will exchange this side and this side. If you write, it will remain same value again. 4n is equal to minus 4 we can write. Just I am taking RHS to the left, means left hand side to the right hand side. When I exchange, nothing happens. Value remains same. Now what has to be done? N you keep as it is. Here minus 4 is there. If you transpose it to the other side, what this becomes? This becomes 4. Right? 4 ones, 4 ones. Then what is the value? N is equal to, here minus is there. So minus 1 you are getting. N is equal to minus 1 is the correct answer what we have got. In case, if what answer we have got, if it is not right, then it cannot satisfy the equation. Let us take this and verify that. Okay. Verification. In verification, how to check? See, here 7 minus into the bracket 3 plus 4 by minus n is equal to minus 1. I'll write this as minus 1 here. Right? Only LHS we are taking. This is LHS what we are taking. Okay. Now this will be equal to what this becomes now? 7 minus here plus 4 divided by minus 1. The result will be minus 4. Okay. Plus divided by minus is always minus result. 4 by 1 is 4. So what this becomes inside the bracket? Minus 4. Wait, not minus 4. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 we are getting, right? Now 7 minus 3 minus 4. Here just subtraction you do. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Bigger number sign minus. So minus. Now it is into the bracket. Minus into minus plus, right? 7 plus 1. This will be equal to 8. This is equal to RHS. Means what answer we have got? It is 100% correct. This is verification. Okay, this is what the solution for sixth equation, right? Now let us go ahead with next one. Now let us solve seventh equation here. Coming to seventh one. What is that? 12 minus 3 by 4 into x is equal to 2 by 5. This is given equation, right? Now let us go on solving this. If you take here, so by simplifying, first you should go for LCM because these are fractions here. 12 upon 1 you can write because nothing means 1 you can write. Two fractions we got. You find out the LCM first. 1 into 4 because common factor is 1. That is why 1 into 4 you have to take. Right? If you take 1 into 4, 4 LCM. Now 1 into what is equal to 4? 1 4s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Right? 4 1s are 4. 1 4s, that is 4. Now 12 4s are how much? It is 12 4s are 48 minus 3 into 1 is 3. Right? Here into the bracket x you write. Here 2 by 5 I am writing. Now what we will do is, if you take this 48 minus 3 is what? 45 divided by 4 you are getting into x is equal to 2 by 5 you are getting, right? Now you transpose it to the other side, total whole factor. How to do? X is equal to 2 by 5 you write as it is. If you transpose it to the other side, this becomes reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Denominator goes to numerator, numerator comes to denominator. So what this becomes now? That side if you write 4 by 45 we are getting. Next, what to do here? X is equal to 2 4s are 8. Here 5 into 45. 45 5s. 4 5s are 200. 5 5s are 25. 225 we are getting. Right? X is equal to this much value we got. Whether it is right or wrong, we have to check it, right? If you substitute this in the given equation, we should get this right hand side. If you check it like that, what happens? Let us see. The given equation 12 minus 3 by 4, right? Into x. X means what? That is 8 by 225 we have got. Is equal to what has to come? 2 by 5 we have to get. If you simplify this further, LCM after taking LCM what we got here, that is 45 divided by 4 we got, right? If you multiply this one, total factor, this value is this much. Now if you multiply this one as 8 by 225, what happens this one? 4 1s, 4 2s we got, right? Next 15s, with 15 if you cancel this, 15 3s are 45, 15 3s are 45. Here 15 ones, 15, 22 minus 15, 7 remains 75. Here 5, 15 5s are 75. So what we are getting here? Here 3 is there. Again 3 and 5 we can cancel. 3 ones, 3 5s. Yes, what we are getting is 2 upon 5 we are getting. 2 by 5 we are getting. It is correct. What we have got? The answer is correct. The value of x is 8 by 225. Remember. Okay. Remaining one problem you have to solve. It is for you. Right? See you in the next video.